Pakiramdam mo ba para kang nauubos na kandila? Baka burnout na yan. Kamusta kayo? Do you often feel tired, unmotivated, or like you're losing hope? These could be signs of burnout. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung paano natin ito malalampasan. Here are 3 powerful steps. Unang hakbang, magtakda ng hangganan or set boundaries. It's important to know when to stop. Huwag kang matakot na sabihin ang hindi sa mga bagay na labis ng nakakabawas ng iyong energy. Remember, it's not selfish. It is about self-care. Second step, maglaan ka ng oras para sa sarili. Try activities that bring you joy, whether it's reading, painting, or just taking a walk under the sun. Rest is not a luxury. It is a necessity. And lastly, huwag mong kalimutan ang halaga ng mga suporta. Talk to your friends or family about how you're feeling. With their help, mas madali mong malalampasan ang mga pagsubok. As a wise person once said, true strength is not the ability to fight, but the ability to ask for help.